Okay guys, so I'm out here in the dark test fitting my plow with the new off-road bumper. Just want to make sure that everything clears before I pull this thing off and spend a bunch of time painting it. And I actually just got it hooked up, and I'm happy to say I have all kinds of room. Maybe not all kinds of room, but enough room. So if it moves a little bit, probably, I don't know. It's not really close right here, but those feet, you can see the feet get kind of close to the bumper there. So not too much further out you could go with a bumper, but yeah, it's gonna work out, so I'm happy with that. Happy to see that. Kind of struggled to get this thing hooked up. I may have to adjust that plow. Oh, maybe not. It looks fairly level there, but I might have to go up with it. I'll have to see that later. Right now I'm on gravel, and I tore up the gravel trying to get this thing hooked up. For some reason, sometimes the mount doesn't want to slide into the receivers for some reason. Almost need something to like hold the plow. In the winter time, I'll park it in front of like a big snowbank. So if I got to put some pressure on it to get it to push into those receivers, I can do that. But yeah, it's looking good, guys. You can see my skid plate under there, and that's fairly close to, but plenty of room. I've had in the past where the license plate has actually touched the plow on a few trucks, so this has got, I don't know, an inch or so, maybe more. So all good for that. So another thing that I'd like to point out that I think is going to work real nice is these side lights that I got on the bumper there. I think they're going to put a bunch of light off to the side of the plow that I haven't had before, and I think that's going to be nice. I'm going to give those yellow lights a try and see if I like them. So that's really the final thing here. I needed to check to get this bumper into paint. So I'm gonna get this thing unhooked. And then I'm gonna probably start pulling that bumper off so I can start prepping it for paint. So I guess, guys, quick video for today, and I guess I'll see you guys.